Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a deep dive into one of Germany's most charming automotive creations, the 1960 NSU Prinz. In a decade where compact cars were redefining mobility, the Prinz emerged as a bold statement from NSU, a company known for innovation, engineering courage, and a willingness to experiment. Today, we explore this little legend in full detail, its design, its interior character, its engineering heart, and the lasting legacy it carved into automotive history. Exterior. The story begins with its exterior, a design that instantly reflects the spirit of early 1960s Germany. The 1960 NSU Prinz wasn't built to dominate highways, it was created to bring mobility to the masses. Its compact silhouette, short overhangs, and upright stance tell a story of practicality and purpose. The front fascia greets you with two round headlights that give the car a friendly expression, almost as if it's smiling at the world. A thin grille rests between them, offering both simplicity and identity. The body lines are subtle yet purposeful, with gentle curves that soften its boxy architecture. Walking around the car, you notice how small it truly is, each panel crafted to save weight, each angle optimized for efficiency. The rear section features air cooling vents, reminding you that a tiny air-cooled engine sits behind the cabin, giving the Prinz its unique driving personality. Even though it was designed as an economy car, it carries a charm and honesty that instantly captures attention. Interior. Stepping inside, the interior tells another chapter of minimalism blended with clever engineering. The cabin is small, yet every space is carefully planned. You're greeted by a clean dashboard featuring only the essentials, a large speedometer, fuel gauge, simple knobs, and indicator lights for vital functions. There's no luxury here, but there's sincerity in every detail. The two-spoke steering wheel feels thin by modern standards, but in the 1960 Prinz, it's a perfect balance between usability and lightness. The seats are slim, built with lightweight materials, yet surprisingly comfortable for city commuting. Despite the compact dimensions, the visibility is excellent. Large windows and thin pillars make the cabin feel spacious, eliminating any sense of claustrophobia. The rear seats, though small, offered enough space for children or short trips. Every inch of the interior reflects the same philosophy: simple, functional, and efficient. Performance. Beneath the charm lies the performance, and this is where the NSU Prinz becomes more than just a cute microcar. Powering this tiny machine is a rear-mounted, air-cooled two-cylinder engine producing around 20 horsepower. It may seem modest, but paired with the Prinz's lightweight body, it transforms the car into a surprisingly spirited driver in city traffic. The engine note carries a distinct buzz that enthusiasts adore, a mechanical heartbeat that suits the car's personality perfectly. Its top speed, close to 100 km per hour, was more than adequate for the time. The rear engine layout provided excellent traction, especially on slippery roads, and gave the Prinz a uniquely balanced driving feel. The suspension system, though basic, absorbed bumps well enough to make daily use comfortable. But perhaps the biggest advantage was fuel economy. With the Prinz, NSU delivered a car that could run for long distances on very little fuel, making it ideal for budget-conscious families during a period of economic rebuilding. As you drive the Prinz, you realize it wasn't built to impress with speed or luxury. It was built to make driving accessible, enjoyable, and affordable. And that is exactly where its charm lies. It wasn't trying to be a sports car or a premium cruiser, it embraced its identity completely. In conclusion, the 1960 NSU Prinz is more than just a small car from the past. It is a symbol of clever engineering, resourcefulness, and the innovative spirit of post-war Germany. Its lightweight design, practical interior, fuel-efficient engine, and unmistakable charm allow it to stand out even today. Collectors love it for its simplicity, enthusiasts admire it for its mechanical honesty, and historians respect it as one of the important stepping stones that helped shape modern compact cars. The Prinz shows us that cars don't need size or high horsepower to leave a lasting mark. Sometimes, a humble little machine with a big personality can become a timeless classic.